Today's episode of the Weekly Iron is brought to you by Easy Pour, a leader in production, speed, and quality in the curb and gutter paving industry since 1967. Learn more at easypour.com. Welcome to the Weekly Iron for Tuesday, August 19th. Everybody loves backhoes except for maybe one guy, and manufacturers are continuing to evolve this stalwart product line with new technology, new ways to use attachments, all while balancing the cost of technology with practical implementation. What do mining, mollusks, and magnets all have to do with each other? They all play a role in ensuring U.S. energy independence as it relates to EV vehicles, so much so that the U.S. Department of Defense has just bought a multi-million-dollar stake in MP Materials out of Las Vegas, specific to the mining of rare earth minerals. And finally, in cool product news, pun intended, we take a look at the Lofness hydraulic cooler built specifically for the Kubota SVL 97-3 CTL. Have a great Tuesday. Stay cool out there as we work through the dog days. We'll see you Friday.